Hello and welcome to my channel. I plan to record my journey towards FIRE, financial independence, and retire early in this channel. Currently, I mainly focus on sharing my Canadian dividend stock investment journey and those stocks in my portfolio. This is the way that let money works for you and generate more money. In the future, I will also add contents introducing products that saves you money. So if you are interested in these topics, hit the like button to let me know. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to get the latest update. And now, let's get started. March 2022 marks the 13th month of my dividend investing in Canadian stocks. And today, I would like to share with you how my portfolio performed after 13 months of investment in Canadian dividend stocks. In the past months, a lot of things has happened, which drives the stock market to be very volatile. And after 13 months, my total account value have reached over 77,000 Canadian dollars, with around 2,700 Canadian dollars as total gains. My total return has reached to around 8%, which is a little bit lower than my last month's performance. My monthly hourly salary have changed to $1.3 per hour, meaning that every working hour, my portfolio is bringing me $1.3 into my pocket. And in my entire portfolio, my top 3 holdings are ETF, real estate, and financial services. These 3 sectors together takes up around 80% of my entire portfolio, and the rest 20% are shared by communication services, utilities, industrials, consumer defensive, healthcare, and energy, oil, and gas midstream. Even though last month is pretty volatile, and my entire portfolio have been down for around $400, but there are still a lot of individual stocks in my portfolio that performed really well. The top 10 stocks that bring me the highest return in my portfolio are SU Sanker, which has been increased nearly 50% since I bought it last year. And the second place are ENB MIJ and TFSA, which brings me 23% of overall return. By the way, if you are interested in any of the stocks I mentioned here, feel free to check out my channel for their introduction videos, and I hope those videos will be helpful for you when making your own decision. And the third place are MRU Metro and REI.UN Realcan. These 2 stocks brings me 20% overall return after 13 months of investment. And from the 6th to 10th position, there are WSP, which brings me 19% overall return, BMO, which brings me 17% overall return, SRU.UN Smart Center Rate, which brings me 13% overall return, CM, which is CIBC, that also brings me 13% overall return, and finally CP, Canadian Pacific Railway, which brings me 20% overall return. And if we look at these top 10 returns by sector, they are actually diversified in different sectors. This also shows us the power of diversification. From the pie chart here, 2 of my top 10 returns are from real estate, 2 of them are from industrials, 2 of them are from financial services, 2 of them are from energy, oil, and gas midstream, and 1 each from communication services and consumer defensives. And I feel lucky for some of my top 10 returns are overlapped with my top 10 holdings by value, while others are not performed that well and kind of dragged my entire portfolio's performance. From left, we can see I have heavily invested in WFV, which is my favorite ETF, and this ETF has been down for around 2% due to the huge volatility in the past month. And the other one that did not perform very well in my top 10 holdings is another ETF that is QQC, which tracks the Nasdaq 100. However, I personally do not worry too much about these 2 holdings, as I will just try to buy more and more of these 2 ETFs to average down my cost. Historically, WFV has always been going up when we are looking at a larger time scale. Beyond these 2 ETFs, 4 of my best performing stocks are also in my top 10 holdings by value, which drags my entire portfolios going up. And in the middle here, we have another 4 stocks that brings me between 7 to 11% total returns. Currently, the stock market's emotion is extreme fear, which drives the market to be super volatile. For me personally, I will keep being in the stock market and try to buy more stocks if the price keep dropping, especially for VFV. And in the past 3 months, I have been keep adding money into my portfolio so that I can buy more and more stocks. I believe buy stocks at a discount price is one way to maximize our returns. And in the last part of today's video, I would like to show you all the stocks I hold in my TFSA account so that you can see which stocks has performed pretty well after 30 months, which stocks may not be that ideal. By the way, I'm using Wealthsimple Trade as my investment platform. If you are interested in investing Canadian dividend stocks, feel free to use my referral link to open an account at Wealthsimple Trade. You can find my introduction video of Wealthsimple Trade in my channel, and find my referral link in the description below. Next, I will scrolling very slow across all the stocks that I have been holding in my TFSA account. If you are interested in looking at the details, feel free to stop the video and see how they performed. So these are all the stocks in my portfolio. Again, if you are interested in any of them, feel free to check out my channel to look up their introduction videos. At the end, I hope everyone, including me, can endure this volatile time and eventually let our portfolio to go up and up in the future. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you are looking for zero commission fee investing platform, I recommend you Wealthsimple Trade. If you are looking for instant money transfer between friends, then Wealthsimple Cash will be the right platform for you. Need a high interest, no fee saving account? Have a look at EQ Bank. It offers higher interest than any of the big 5 banks and has no banking fee. Additionally, if you are looking for great credit cards, I recommend Brim World Allied MasterCard and NeoCard. I personally use them and enjoy the cashbacks they have to offer. More details about these cards can be found in my channel. And if you use my referral links in the description, you will get referral bonus for having these great products. Thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.